Good morning. It's an exciting day today because today is the first day of our food rescue operation here in the Philippines. We're on our way to Eastwood. That's where Arthur will pick us up, and then we'll go to our first donor, which is RFM. That's where we'll pick up some of the breads. It's very exciting. Finally, it's happening. See you there. SOS. So this is the office of SOS here in the Philippines. This is what we decided to get. We got the 2 slots. This will be the office and that will be the operation side where we will clean the containers and store all of our baskets.
Hi sir, malakas talaga sir.
Our dream to finally have an operation here in the Philippines is slowly starting to happen. Now we have an office. This is where we will put the aircon. Here's our basket. Made out of plastics. Upcycled. So nice.
Oh, 67 ka na.
Napakayabang. Uwe!
And then you can go to the list. You can also stack it.
Oh, okay.
So easy, no?
Galing. Hindi ba siya gumagano gano'n?
Paano yan?
Galing.
Naka-size star din.
Di ba this was the one that we tried?
Ay, oo.
So, 2 crates.
Okay.
Two. Try. Because it's so right to left.
Yeah, so it's very light.
Chai. You should buy and bring to Thailand.
Looking at the containers.
Yeah.
So taking a lot of photo of the factory.
Chai. Uy, bili ka nung ano ha? Yung sabi kong baka gumanon.
Yung
Pasok. Mag ano ka lang Arthur, maglagay ka lang ng nung ramp. Para ano.
Kasya mo siya dun,
Sige nga. Ay, oo nga pala. Oh.
yung in-order natin. Bakit asul pala yung binigay sa akin?
Ano ba? Baka makulit.
Pabaliktad. Paatras ka bumaba. Hindi pa ganun. Ganyan. Wow, FRA ka? Pwede tong FRA. Buhat-buhat.
Doon na lang ako kailangan ng sakit.
Kasi hindi siya marunong mag-drive.
Hindi mo siya marunong mag-drive.
Hindi ako Kasi yung mata ko.
Ayun lang. Parampahan mo ng konti, no?
Pwede sa mali.
Kaya ba? Oh.
This one, we have 2 size of the food container.
Oh.
The big one and the small one.
Chai.
Because if
They're
we
2.5.
yeah, if you put 2 big, it cannot stack. So that's why we decided to do like this. This is the first size. This is called 1/4 size
Okay.
because for full box, for full container for 1 basket, and then another is 1/3 because only 3
Okay.
full container in 1 basket.
This is it. Ray, may opisina ka na dito. Kumain lang tayo ng somtam sa ano.
Kumain na tayo sa restaurant.
Biglang may opisina na sa Marikina. Ang galing. Cannot believe this day is finally here. We just wished for this day to happen. Endless meetings and brainstorming and planning. And then finally it's happening. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of my team here in the Philippines for making it all happen. I'm glad that there are people who are supporting us. I'm just very grateful for today. Finally, SOS is in the Philippines now. Sama si Hubbee for support. Morning, Tong. Hello.
Hello!
Where's the truck?
Naiwan ko si Mark. Alam mo, na-miss ko mag-drive.
So, diretso sa doon.
Hindi, dadaan siya dito kasi gusto niya sumakay, diba?
Oo.
Oo.
Asa hintayin natin siya?
Hintayin natin
Okay,
siya.
sige.
Sabi ko naman sa kanya.
So, I'm now here inside our truck. We're now starting our operation. We're going to RFM first. That's where we're gonna rescue some surplus bread. This is the first time we're officially driving this truck after getting it last weekend. It's exciting because we're finally starting this food rescue program here in the Philippines. Like what I said, a few years ago, our founder was just thinking of starting to operate in the Philippines because Philippines is close to his heart. When he started Thailand, he knew that the third country would be the Philippines, and I guess it was destiny when he found me. The first thing he asked was, hopefully I can open an operation here in the Philippines. But when I joined SOS, it was the start of the pandemic, so that plan was put aside. So this time,
In 1.4
since we're
miles,
at the post-pandemic
exit
already,
Rodriguez
it
Road.
was a good time to make it happen. And when I was here around February, March, around that time, that's where I started meeting people to see if it's possible to do it. And then that's where I discovered Arthur, and I thought he was the one who's gonna lead our operation here in the Philippines. And now, after how many months, we have the truck, we have the office, we're fully registered, we're official and legit in the Philippines. And now we're starting. I'm with Mark. Hi, Mark.
Hi.
He's our food rescue ambassador, our first food rescue ambassador. Hopefully there will be more in the future, but he's going to be part of this history. He's gonna help us make this all happen. We're navigating the streets of Metro Manila. It's traffic. It's the peak hours of the day. A lot of people are going to the office. Yeah, we're going to Mandaluyong, and then we will bring all the food to Project Pearls. That's in Tondo. So Mark, excited ka na?
Super excited po.
Anong pakiramdam na ito na yung magiging buhay mo?
Actually po, parang napaka-ano po. Bukod po sa nagtatrabaho ka na feel mo pa po na nakakatulong ka po sa mga tao. And tingin ko naman po mag-i-enjoy po ako since nasa magandang group po ako.
Nice. Excited ka nang ma-meet yung mga iba-ibang communities na minsan pasaway, minsan di susunod. Pero part talaga yun no?
Oo.
Kaya talaga, pasensya lang.
So mga susunod naman na po na pagkabisado na rin po naman nila, giging smooth na rin naman po talaga. Pero yun nga po siguro, talagang kailangan lang po i-keep yung standards para hindi rin po tayo magka-problema.
Oo, lalo na sa food safety, no? So we just arrived here at RFM. We're waiting for the staff from Project Pearls because he will assist us in getting the food from RFM. So a little bit of background. Project Pearls was the one who recommended and referred us to RFM because they used to collect the food from RFM that they will distribute to their community. And since we partnered with them, instead of them collecting the food and distributing to the community that they serve, we're now going to be their logistic partner. So we're the one who's going to rescue the food, and then they will just take care of the distribution. So just for this first time, he'll be here to help us getting inside, getting the food, so we can look into the process and understand everything. So next time that it's just gonna be our truck, we know how to do it. We were just given an ID and then they asked us to go here. We're just waiting for the confirmation from the staff to pick up the food. So we're just observing the process. So nakapangalan na pala sa amin yung delivery and delay. So here's the amount of food that they will give this week. Project Force said usually it really depends. Now it's only 90 kilograms because they didn't make as much last week, but they said usually it's around 300. The most or the biggest that they received was around 500 kilograms. So it really depends, but 90 kilos is not bad for us to start our food rescue program.
Ang pinaka-panalo po na pag-pick up ng oras ay alas 6 ng umaga.
Para daw po wala nang truck na pumapasok.
This is JR from Project Pearls. Siya ang tumulong sa amin today. Siya talaga tumutulong sa amin sa lahat.
So maraming bagay sa pag-iimpake ng mga pagkain para sa mga homeless. So
Kami na po ang magtatandem.
yung sa Century Pacific na pick up na.
Yes,
na-drop off na. Okay. Kausap ko na rin sila.
Talaga?
Yes. Tinanong nila.
Nagbibigay din sila ng mga gatas.
Tinanong nila sa akin kung may refrigerated truck daw kami.
Oo, yun o.
Sabi ko, refrigerated po ang truck. Pili ko magbibigay ng frozen goods.
Yan, ako. Kasi nagbibigay din sila ng frozen goods sa amin. Mga salami, ganyan.
Yan.
Gawa ng Century.
Papayag.
Yes. Tapos sila din, nagbibigay din sila ng gatas si RF.
Okay lang.
Pero ano yun?
Mga, dito mga paano yan, parang hindi siya regular.
Hindi siya regular.
Ito talaga every Monday. So, lagi ang first pick up pala natin, Monday, no? Alas 6. Ito na agad. Okay.
In time for AM feeding din sa pag-
Oo. Actually, maload lang na 6:30, baka nga 7:30 yan sa Maynila na kami.
So we just left RFM and we picked up all the surplus right over the last week production. Now we're heading to Tondo and we will drop off the food that we collected at Happy Land so that the kids can enjoy this food. Medyo traffic lang siya. I think we're in Mandaluyong now. Pero we're looking for a gas station kasi wala na kaming gas. Sana umabot kami. Nakakita na kami ng gas station. There. So the route today, truck started from Marikina and then we went to Quezon City, specifically in Eastwood to pick up Hong, and then we went to Mandaluyong and then now San Juan City. So we're really roaming around Metro Manila. So we're here at Caloocan na. After Caloocan, papunta na kami ng Manila. Ayan, malapit na. Hindi kami nakapasok sa Skyway. Hindi pala pwede itong closed vans na tinatawag nila. So napatagal kasi sa ilalim kami nagpagtas. Pero okay lang, at least na-experience, nakita yung daan. Pero siguro mga in 30 minutes ando lang kami. So we just arrived here in Tondo. We're just waiting for the people who will assist us in getting the food out of the truck. Pwede na ba yan?
Ang ganda.
Picture natin si Jonah.
Ano ba yan? Saglit!
Ba't di ka nag-prepare?
Kasi naman!
So, our launch for today was a success. We made it. We've officially launched Scholars of Sustenance Philippines, and we're going to start rescuing surplus food from different food businesses here in Manila. So, the vision is we'll start in Manila first, and then hopefully, by God's will, we could operate in Cebu also or somewhere in Mindanao. That's the plan. But for now, we want to make sure that the operation in Manila will be successful and that we can be consistent, we can produce good results, and create bigger impact. So, very thankful and very grateful for today. It all went well. And so right now, I'm going to have a dinner with our board of trustees. I'm gonna meet them for the first time since I was away when we decided to make them our board of trustees. And this is the first time I'm gonna meet them in person. So we'll have a dinner. So we'll have the team also. We have Kong from Thailand, who's our food safety person that came here to help us with all the food safety training with some of our initial donors. And our first food rescue ambassador, which is Mark, is going to join also. And of course, Arthur, which is the director of operations for SOS Philippines. And we're gonna celebrate his birthday. Also, he's going to celebrate his birthday next week. But since I'm flying back to Thailand tomorrow, I won't be here on his birthday. But with all the things that he has done to set up SOS Philippines, I want to celebrate him, to thank him also for everything that he has done. So yeah, this is the second to the last business meetings. I have my last one tomorrow morning, but that's it. Then flying back to Thailand tomorrow evening. It was so fast.
Now, as we begin our program,
To everyone who came today for the official launch of Scholars of Sustenance in the Philippines, good afternoon.
sustainability is one of the most abused words. Everybody talks and talks and talks, right?
And seeing all of your faces here right now gives me hope in terms of helping address the hunger problem that we have.
And we believe that access to food and decent meal is a human right.